What's the main?
Wanna see what we have inside and what is it?
Hi everyone, Carlos here. Today we're gonna be adding the stabilizer jacks to the trailer. This one is a Class C jack. It's almost 25 inches long. It wasn't made actually for this kind of trailer, but I'm gonna be using that just because my trailer is too high and it's something like that just to stabilize the trailer.
So in the outside it's gonna look like this. I will be able to put here, like a cordless screwdriver and just bring up and down the leg for the jack. So alright, in order to get a little bit more support for the jack, I'm gonna be adding this piece of metal here. I'll be welding this piece of metal here, another point here, just to get more support for the jack stand.
Top, what's the main?
Wanna see what we have inside and what is it?